Hey guys, how are you? Hope you all are very fine. I am Kinjal Sonchatra, your math guide. Welcome back to my channel Case StudyZone. This is the 14th tutorial of probability chapter 15th of standard 10th. In last session we discussed about example 7 and in that second question was left. So we will discuss about it as well as example 8. So don't waste the time, go to the session. Today's topics are basic formula of probability, answer of last homework, example 8 from your textbook as well as homework. So go to the first. It's basic formula. So probability equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes, which is already known. So go to the next. It's homework answer. First question. There are 40 students in class 10th of a school of whom 25 are girls and 15 are boys. The class teacher has to select one student as a class representative. She writes the name of each student on separate card, the cards being identical. Then she puts cards in a bag and steers them thoroughly. She then draws one card from the bag. What is the probability that the name written on the card is the name of a boy, which is example 7. And second question was left for a boy, right? So answer is there are 40 students in present, right? So total outcomes 40 and possible outcomes for boys equals to 15 because there are 15 students or 15 boys in class. So probability to name of boys equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes equals to 15 divided by 40 equals to 3 divided by 8. As well as you can use another method, which is probability to get name of boys equals to total probability minus probability to get name of girls equals to 1 minus 25 by 40. Here nothing is in denominator. So LCM is 40. So 40 into 1. 40 minus 25 divided by 40. 40 minus 25 equals to 15 divided by 40. So ultimately answer is same, 3 divided by 8. Got it? Now next, second question. Find the probability to get first one yellow ball and second one not yellow ball. Check it here, figure. So there are 2 yellow balls and total balls are 6, right? So total balls are 6, 2 yellow, 1 purple, 1 red, 1 green. Got it? So total outcomes equals to 6 and possible outcomes for yellow ball equals to 2 because there are 2 yellow balls. So probability to get yellow ball equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes equals to 2 divided by 6 equals to 1 divided by 3. And for not yellow ball equals to total balls minus yellow balls equals to 6 minus 2 because total balls are 6 and 2 yellow balls. So answer is 4. So probability to get not yellow ball equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes equals to 4 divided by 6. Now 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. So 2 2 cut. So answer is 2 divided by 3. Got it? If you have any question about it, you can ask me in comment section. So go to the next. Example 8. A box contains 3 blue, 2 white and 4 red marbles. If a marble is drawn at random from the box, what is the probability that it will be? First one is white, second blue and third one is red. So starting with the first, here we have 3 blue, 2 white and 4 red marbles. So total balls are 3 plus 2 plus 4 equals to 9. So total outcomes equals to 9. Now possible outcomes for first one is white marble. So possible outcome equals to 2 because of there are 2 white marbles. So probability to get white marbles equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes equals to 2 divided by 9. Second one, blue marbles. Possible outcome equals to 3 because there are 3 blue marbles. So probability to get blue marbles equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes equals to 3 divided by 9. Now 3 3s are 9 means 1 divided by 3. And last one for red marbles. So possible outcome equals to 4 because there are 4 red marbles. So probability to get red marbles equals to number of possible outcomes divided by total outcomes equals to 4 divided by 9. Got it? Here answer is done. Now go to the next. It's homework time. First question is find the probability to get first one circle, second not circle. Use both methods and refer figure 1. Second question. Find the probability to get first one red ice cream and second one yellow ice cream, and refer figure 2. Now best of luck guys. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please share, subscribe and obviously like. Bye bye.